Hello, this is Esperanza Tercero, week 3 of microbiology. This would be lab, which is called Microscopy for Microbiology, Use and Function. So what we have this week is our microscope here. And first part would be to name the portions of the microscope. So we have the ocular lens, we have the arm, we have the objective lenses. We also have the focus knob right here. We have the stage clip. We have the condenser lenses in there. This is called the stage. We also have the diaphragm down here. And this here is the illuminator, the base, the switch for the illuminator, and then there's an adjustment knob on the side here, and then also here on the sides there's for adjusting. That's pretty much it. And then part 2, or step 2, just to describe. So we look out of here, the light, which helps us illuminate whatever we're seeing on the stage. What else? The stage clip here, which helps to grab onto slides when we place slides on there to keep it steady. Each one of the objective lenses, which comes at different strengths. And so we have I believe the lowest one, which would be a scanning lens. So let's see if I have this right. So there's powers to the lenses, and so we have the scanning lens, which is the smallest one, which is at 4 times, and then the power, and then we have low power lens, which is the next one. That one is at 10, and then we have the 40 as well, which would be high power lens. And then we also have the oil immersion lens, which is at 100 times. And then there's a calculation to be able to factor the total magnification when looking through the microscope. And you get this number by multiplying the magnification of the ocular lens with the magnification of the objective lens. So what's up here times what's here, whichever one you choose, you multiply it, and that's the total magnification factor. And then let's see, so that's that. So I have my ruler, and we need to use the centimeters. You can see that. The centimeter side. We place that on there. Oh, this way. Can't really use that. And then we're supposed to focus the ruler with the scanning lens, and then look through it. So I'll turn on. That'll help. Start off with the scanning. So we're supposed to measure or look at the ruler on the centimeter side. Once we're able to focus it, we record the approximate field of the view for the scanning power in millimeters, and jot it down in our table. And then from there, step 10 would be to convert the field of view from millimeters to micrometers and record. And then we're going to repeat the formula to calculate the field of the view for a high power lens. So we do low power, we do high power, and then convert the field of view from millimeters to micrometers and record. And then we step 14 of part 3 would be to take a slide, an empty slide, give me 1 second. Okay, sorry, so it was actually not a blank slide, it was a letter E slide. Place that on to take a look. once we've identified letter E, we switch the objective lens to the scanning power and use the focus adjustment knobs as necessary to focus on the image on the slide. And once we find the letter E through the microscope lens, we take a picture of this. And then from there, what we would do, give me a second, let me focus. Okay. So I have found letter E. So I do see letter E. If there's any way of you can see it there. So then we switch the focus. So and then find it again. So E has been located on the low power lens. Now high power lens. Okay, so we're also supposed to try with the oil immersion lens, which is this one. So we take one of these out. we switch it out. Okay, and then raise. Okay. So it's a little harder to see through the oil immersion. There's things moving around, and just harder to focus, I think. I think I missed one step. That is to wipe the oil immersion lens with a lens paper. So maybe that's why. So let's try now. Still pretty hard, but there we go.